What's going on? Jack with Contemporary Automotive. Right here, I got a beautiful 2021 Willy's Wrangler. Wanted to shoot a quick video, show you. Starting up front, this is a super recent trade-in, Willy's Wrangler. Up front, we got the LED headlights. This car is already black, but you don't normally get the blacked out front grille. Come around the side, you got the off-road style tires, blacked out rims, Willy's logo on the hood, and rock sliders on the bottom. And pop the back open, take a look at the trunk space. Inside, you got power locks, power mirrors, power windows in the middle, black cloth interior. We got super low miles. Once again, Jack with Contemporary Automotive. If you want some more info, give me a ring, 603-213-5015. Remember, buy from Jack, don't be whack.